Hello, welcome to ePrime everyone. My name is Deidran. Gold Up launched Introduction in Jamaica. Last evening, Gold Up producers Raf and Zach held the album launch for Introduction at Janga's Sound Bar and Grill. Introduction, set for release this Friday, is a compilation album featuring various Jamaican artists. ePrime was at the launch where the duo gave details on the album.
So the album has 14 songs, and we have artists like Busy Signal, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Charlie Black. We have some younger artists with Nation Boss. We really wanted to represent dancehall overall.
Introduction comes 2 years after Gold Up's first album release, Prelude, in 2020. They're known to produce hit songs like Lego the Bird.
Since we dropped Lali Lego the Bird, I think this song really put us on the map. And I think it dropped at the right time, at the right moment, and we wanted to bring fun in dancehall too. And that was really an important mission for us because everything was too serious and stuff. So that's why that song was so successful, because people were happy listening to it and enjoyed themselves. And that's what we want to do. We want the music to last forever.
The launch got support from Sean Paul, Lali, Bugle, and industry players, and was part of Janga's Super Heavy Wednesdays that also saw dancers such as Energy Kid, Clean Step Skankers, and Expensive, just to name a few. Introduction will be released this Friday. On the international scene, Canadian rapper and singer Tory Lanez has been placed on house arrest and electronic monitoring as he awaits his trial regarding a shooting case involving American rapper Megan Thee Stallion. Last evening, Los Angeles judge David Hereford ruled that the rapper, whose given name is Daystar Peterson, should be placed on monitoring beginning Friday through to the scheduled start of the trial on November 28. Lanez pleaded not guilty in November 2020 when he was charged with assault with a semi-automatic firearm and carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle. Reports are that he and Megan were in an argument in the backseat of a car where she asked the driver to pull over and let her out. After she got out, Lanez allegedly fired a gun at her feet. She later underwent surgery to remove bullet fragments from both feet. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.